family.
Today we embark on another major project to expand access to high-quality education for our students, this time for the people of Mbao, as we break ground for the constructions of the new Mbao Central College. Once completed, this new campus will mark another milestone in my government's relentless effort to spread the enormous benefits of affordable education to the Fijian people. It will bring us closer to ensuring that every child, no matter where they call home, can secure a better future for themselves through the knowledge and skills acquired in our schools. My government has displayed an unwavering commitment to our duty, as written in the Fijian Constitution, to uphold the right of every person to access education, because such access has been proven time and again as the most effective way to end poverty, improve quality of life, and even the playing field at every level of society. It was for those reasons that my government launched the free education and free textbooks initiatives and the free fares for traveling students, because no family should have to consider the financial implications of sending their child to school, and no child should feel unequipped in the classroom. The benefits of these programs are felt every day by hardworking parents in Fiji and for their children whose participation in school has no longer been limited by their financial situation at home. But there are even deeper issues affecting our children's ability to attend school and to perform to the best of their abilities. Often, the resources in the classrooms are simply too far away. And that is why we have matched our free education schemes with an ambitious slate of new school development projects throughout our islands. Primary schools, secondary schools, technical and tertiary institutions, all being opened across Fiji, bringing unprecedented educational options to our people. We've opened 3 new secondary schools this year alone. And soon, our community here will be able to welcome a new secondary school of our own. This new school campus will welcome students from Raturapama Primary, Dautata District, Mbao District, Nakelo District, Krishna Vedic School, Nrabo Primary, Namata District School, Ndaku, Nasamila, Sanatan Daram Primary, and Kuku District School, all of whom will have a convenient, modern, and functional new school facility to further their education. My government has allocated a total of $1.6 million to fund the constructions of a new school campus on these grounds. And the construction work has been tendered to Super Construction, who are scheduled to deliver the completed work in January 2018. This is the first phase. Ladies and gentlemen, while this is a day of celebration for the people of the Tikina of Mbao, there are still areas of Fiji that were badly hit by Cyclone Winston, where some of our students are still awaiting the reconstruction of their schools. As you all know, Cyclone Winston brought devastation to Fiji like we had never seen before. In fact, it was the strongest cyclone to ever make landfall in the Southern Hemisphere. And we are working hard to reclaim everything we lost to the storm. And for all the reasons I've stated, we want to get all our affected students back into primary school buildings as soon as possible. But these new schools must be built to a standard that can withstand severe weather events like Winston, and that takes time. Already we have begun rebuilding 112 schools throughout the country, with plans to begin construction on 39 others soon. And 4 schools have already been completely rebuilt. and we are undertaking extensive repair works on all of our schools that sustained damage in the storm as well. And when those schools do reopen their doors, they will be of the standard and quality worthy of the students who call them home. I look forward to this new school's completion, long awaited by the people of Mbao, and once completed, worthy to serve your young people and the many generations that will follow in their footsteps. Chico sana banua, chico sana ngon turana buni balu, tu kamba. Chico sana ngon turana taltala, chico sana ngon turana rok timbau, chico sana turana kena marama, ento loman cikina, chico sana boleh lesi. Andam sa chico na minista, udah tu na buni bola tu ndayar tu sana boleh lesi. O maten tu, chico sana boleh leu na kento maleu na matani kuah. And then sa dabuka lau tale ni na kena tebu ta ke ndo na viva tor da ki lewu ni no kuma tentu na kena sangai me kayo en na buli kena be bonua ena taunda ku ni korba balangi ve talia na yau ni bunua ratigu mai kina ngandra na matentu me rabuli ka ngone me raw ni bakan dei ta kana non ra vesing abina kan matak sa bakante takana nung kumatentu na buli na ya buni pabulawa ni sa tampaki kotokin nandun le ne bunua me bakararota ki ber na buli balaten sa bakan dinataki ni buli endo na sala wosi me kana kolebi na bulan rabua ena non damata bubali waya na buna sa tapo da kina non damatentu na buli wale soli wale na bol ni buli soli wale na bondo mondo ni buli Sangan indon me ndon itumbutumbu sen ndon ndon ni bisusu me loma lenga takana sangan ni labo me kautiri kinda na lubena ni koruguli sapa kila tuni kuwa na itumbutumbu na binaka ni bibu ni matentungo ni sapa kararo taki na non rala ki buli na bisinga na lubenda tito buna lenga baka buna tiko na non rasingin indaw laki buli na embake sa sibi na ngoni buli ndona buna na yawa ni korni buli baka buna oda wer na ngone laki lenga kin non rabuli oya na buna ketu sa sema tapata kin na program ni buli wale kena program ni tar korni buli ena be bunu ngan rebinjini kina me kun rela ko baka yawa na ngoni buli ketu santola na primary school na secondary school na technical kena tertiary institutions ena be yan yanu kena lomni bunua me kauba bole kai nabuli ber nananda awa bosati ko namba ngo andola ke ketondola ke ne tolu na secondary school enando na ngone la kala satu mai sandana pangana mata juga ena kenondola nananda to kurni buli cikine mbau na kurni buli secondary buli secondary ngo na mai buli kina na be kurni buli abo kiti kento to o asapang madala takoch na kenabanga taki ko binaka na kurni buli ngo me bakani be kurni buli er tumai na be korba balang sabaro takana no gumaten tu en 2.1 million $2 me taraki na kurni buli ngo sana kena kontrak taki chiko sa suli wana company ni sarongo chiko na super construction ana maki me taro na kurni buli ngo ena mbaki runo nondol tin kawalu ena matai ni kena face ni kuwa sa singin na maki weekend na leni buno mbau tukina bala din da maraw takatiko na kena baka sumbur ng turni koribuli bo sa kambimbi me tarapa kabina na koribuli ena nonda buno ang balat na meda raw ni sasambay may na matanggal itang ilang bararabaki wataki Winston ni kala ni kuwa na ni kuwa ni leusar na koribuli ar sa baka tatayin tunga kakito sa manggusto tiyokin na matayin tunga kito taray rabutal. Usana na makina kena sana taro china kornibuli ngo. Nalanda to kornibuli me pakakon sa wara ko bambalaw to may na leon chigin ombaw. Nangaw na sa nandola kina me nangarabir na limumni. Ena ve tambangaw na sa tumayliw. So apo kabi binakatalabo ko doon na binkarabo turang apapuno akin tipagitikin na lakalako ni matantu menom ni nabe bakalungat tayo turanga. and a mother on the singing mate, now.